Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, and welcome to a dreamy Aurora hunting journey. Have you ever dreamed of capturing that magical green light dancing across the sky? Well, let me show you step by step how to find the aurora, stay warm, and take the perfect shot. And yes, even toast marshmallows under the northern lights. First, where can you see the northern lights? Auroras usually appear between 65 and 75 degrees north latitude. Here are some of the best places to see them. Tromsø in Norway, Rovaniemi in Finland, Kiruna in Sweden, just north of Reykjavik in Iceland, Yellowknife in Canada, and Fairbanks, Alaska, in the USA. The key is, get far away from city lights. Find a wide open space with a clear sky. Second, when is the best time to see the northern lights? The aurora season runs from September to March. October, February, and March are especially great. Less cold and a bit more daylight during the day. Best time to watch? Between 9 p.m. and 2 a.m. Also, check the moon phase. Avoid full moon nights. It's too bright and can outshine the aurora. New moon week, around lunar day 1 to 7, is the best. Third, clear skies are a must. Even with solar activity, clouds can block everything. So check the local weather forecast. Look for dry regions and avoid cloudy, snowy, or foggy nights. Fourth, how cold is it? And what should you wear? Temperatures can drop to -10 to -30 degrees Celsius in winter. Dress in layers. First layer, heat tech top and leggings. Middle layer, wool sweater or down vest. Outer layer, windproof, waterproof jacket and snow pants. Don't forget waterproof snow boots, thick gloves, a scarf, and a warm hat. And use heat packs. Stick them on your hands, feet, and back. Want to know how to capture the aurora with your phone or camera? Make sure to follow and subscribe. Because in the next video, I'll teach you how to photograph the northern lights and keep that moment forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support really warms my heart and keeps me going. See you in the next one.